I'll demonstrate how to schedule your bot's availability based on business hours in Zoho SalesIQ. First, we need to set up the business hours for your brand. Under the personalized, click brand. Select brand you want to configure and click business hours. Make sure the business hours option is enabled. You can also set your preferred time zone, edit working days, and customize hours. Once the brand's business hours are configured, it's time to schedule the bot's availability. Navigate to Bot tab view and click Zobot. Select the bot you want to configure. On bot's profile page, choose brand you configured earlier. Scroll down at the bottom and select bot working hours and check the appropriate options. For example, when operators online during business hours, when operators offline during business hours, when operators online during non-business hours, and when operators offline during non-business hours. After you preferred working hours condition, click next. Review your settings and then click publish to activate your bot schedule. So now you have successfully scheduled your bot's availability based on your business brands in Zoho SalesIQ. Today, I'll show you how to create a multilingual bot in Zoho SalesIQ. So first, let's click the settings and navigate to bot. Under bot, click Zobot. Since we have no bots found, let's click add. Now let's name our bot. So for example, test bot. Now after name the bot, click next. You can also add a description for your bot. Next is select or choose a brand. Here in the supported languages, here we can add the multilingual bot so that the bot can understand the languages that you have chosen here. So, example, you can add Arabic, Hebrew, Hindi, Greek, German, Georgian, Portuguese, Spanish, and many more. So the default language of the bot is English. After you configure the supported languages, click next, and lastly, click create. Now for this tutorial, we will use the healthcare template. After the template applied successfully, click publish. So now, the bot published successfully. So this concludes the tutorial on creating a multilingual bot in Zoho SalesIQ. You can now continue configuring your bot or testing it as needed. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can integrate Zobot from SalesIQ to Zoho Desk. So first, let's navigate to settings. Under developers, let's click integrations. Since we don't have Desk in our apps, let's click Zoho apps and then search for Desk. Click the add button and now Zoho Desk integration enabled. So to test if this is working, I have a website here and we have here the bot, chatbot. Let's chat, let's create a conversation. Hi. First name is Romer. Last name R9 font. Now after we fill out those questions, we have now the bot. Let's book an appointment. So after the book an appointment, we can now check the desk if the bot created a ticket. So as you can see, we have now a newly created ticket from desk. So that's it. That's how we can integrate Zobot from SalesIQ to Zoho Desk. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can automate FAQs using the resource library. So in SalesIQ, go to settings. Under the bot, click answer bot. So here we have our SalesIQ brand. Let's enable this answer bot. And to test this, if this is working, these three must be enabled here. And then the responses, behavior, fallbacks. So since this answer bot is enabled, let's proceed to the chatbot. Let's try if we can make conversation with the bot. So let's ask a question to the bot. What services you offer? So let's wait. So as you can see, it changed from operator to Romer SalesIQ band. So it is detected that we are asking question. And now as you can see, it generate the services. So that's how we can automate FAQs using the resource library here in SalesIQ. To show you how we can train bot using chat transcript. So let's navigate to settings. Under bot, click Zobot. Add new bot. So let's name this. Then click next. Select our brand. Next. Let's enable this when visitor land on site. And this one, let's create. Let's select a template since this is just a testing. Template applied successfully. So let's click publish. And to check if the implementation is working, let's go to my website. And here, as you can see, we have here like our health center. So in the bot, you also have a welcome card. So this is working. Click book an appointment. So the chat transcript are here. This one, select the message. And you can do also doctor selection, get appointment, date and time. So that is the chat transcript. So for example, we can select general medicine. We can select doctor. This is from the chat transcript. Book an appointment. Book a slot. Confirm. Your name, test. So that's it. That's how we can train the bot using real chat transcript in the SalesIQ. And take note that we should publish the bot.